Hello everybody, welcome. Hello everybody, I'm back. No, don't want to erase all data, because I need to buy it still. Erase again, oh fine, okay, I have to. I know. There's only one I can do, so yeah, build. That's pretty easy, I've done this before, practice. So yeah, how much time? Because I have a minimum of 15 minutes, so I'm going to stop at 2, I mean 3, I mean 5, I mean 10, so yeah, it takes a long time to do it. I know, to do, because I've done it before, so yeah. Oops. I know, triangles are my friend. Don't say I'm from the Illuminati. Ah, come on. Triangles really help. This is sort of like Polybridge, but on Android. Truck, I went with the truck last time, so better make this quick, because I have a minimum of 15 minutes once again. So yeah, right back. Wait, no, not be right back. Brr, brr. So, yeah, I didn't talk that much, but yeah. Nope. Ah, it's annoying. Okay. Oh no. Still don't have it. Didn't add it yet. This is actually all you need to do it. And I'll do truck. Truck. Take a shorter time. People will do triangles there and triangles there, but all you need is these two. And it can hold a truck. That's what it means. Yeah! Aww. It wouldn't do that. Oh yeah, it would. I just need to wait, but I have no time. Anything else? Nope. Sorry if the audio's weird. The internet's not that good. Okay. No, not. Nope. Oh, there we go. Just enough. I don't think they're small enough to go through here. If it was the truck, it would just bang straight in it. Was I able to make it? I'll see truck. They won't be able to make it through this. And bang. Okay, this stuff is some serious sorcery. I have to put it down. Proof. Truck proof. Nearly done. Anchor points. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay, I won't be able to talk that much, but actually I think I might be over the time now. Nope, phew. Sorry, because I had a problem last time of I couldn't post it. So yeah, don't want that that to happen. Okay, nearly done. Nope. Make it a bit longer. This is actually a different design since the last one, but yeah, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. I don't want to use that. Sort of need this one. One just right here. There. Okay. Oh, 27, phew. Oh, well. I'm gonna see if it's trucks proof. So close. So close. Yeah. Come on, I need to do this. I know this one. Oh no, they don't have. What? Where can I put these? I don't know. But there's a small bridge over beach. And my other one went like this. No. Went up like that. Up like that. Down like that. Down. Put some string in. All the way down. And I didn't notice this last time, but I can just do that and have a budget of 19. Okay, there we go. There we go. No. There we go. Oh, I forgot. It's only 19,000. Hmm. Oh. I'm gonna look at that. Oh, actually, I should have checked the time. Oh, got the time. Oh, come on. I won't. Come on, original triangles. Do me well. I think triangles alone can just do it. Go, triangles, go. Go, triangles, go. I'm not from the Illuminati as well. Nope. Go. Go, Charles, go. Go, Charles, go. Go, Charles, go. I feel like I have to use ropes now. To use ropes. Okay. No! I don't want to make it truck proof. I feel like it'll break in. I only have 2 more minutes of recording. That took ages. Wow, that was a hard level. Come on. Nearly done. Come on, I'm nearly done as well. I don't want to make it truck proof. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Bring it back with string. String costs not that much actually. So. That. Sorry if the click sound is really loud. I don't know why. So. Nope. Just have to do that. Well, no truck proof today, sorry. And I think there's the last level this one. Come on. Go, cars, go. Sorry, everyone. I'm not gonna be able to finish this. So, yeah. Yeah, sorry. So, yeah. Bye.